So now it's recording. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. So.
Hello.
Let's try and fly a plane on a very windy day.
The screen's gone black, is that correct?
No idea. I guess. Yeah, it's still flashing, so.
Oh, but I can't see where I am.
I don't know. What do you do then? Just point in this way.
I can't see it on this tiny little screen, so I'm just waving it around.
Okay. I was hoping that was going to stay on, so you better see what you were filming.
No, I can see it now,
Oh.
because I pressed OK again.
Alright.
But I can't see the plane on the screen, if you see what I mean, because it's too small.
Yeah. That's alright. It's flying. Bounce around a little bit. See if I can do a slower.
I can't even see it on here. Oh, it's gone again. It's just really small, and it's quite bright even though it's not sunny.
Right. Hello. Oh.
Hi David.
What are you doing so close for? Oh! It's windier up there, I think.
Oh, that's good.
It's climbing like you wouldn't believe.
I can see absolutely nothing on the screen.
It's just blue.
Hello.
It's not actually moving now. But it's losing a bit of attitude.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.